It's time for an apartment tour. I've just come from the train station. I've just got here. I've climbed 3 flights of stairs. I've put in my codes and I've entered the apartment. Bags are still on the floor here. I've just walked in. And I've had a quick, like a 2-second walk through, if that. I'll show you the apartment. It's quite nice. Just shut that door. So, as we walk in, a little kitchen area, little 2 electric ring hob there, little coffee maker, nice little extractor, kettle, nice big metal sink, some drawers for your cutlery and your knives, things like that, your plates. Move that out of the way. I'm sure that'll be pans or something. Yep, plenty pans to be getting on with. Dishwasher. Just some cleaning stuff. That was supposed to be the fridge. Nice big fridge. Oh, and some complimentary mineral water. Unfortunately, it's gazowana, which means fizzy. And I don't like fizzy water, but we'll make do. I'm guessing up here will be the microwave and some spices and teas. Do we have a freezer? Oh, no? Oh, okay, we have one of those ones with a little chest up top. Big enough for anything I will need. That's great. And then we have the bathroom. So, the throne, the shower, a nice washing machine, myself, little sink, a hairdryer, radiator, and we got the some supplies. Looks like some washing powder maybe. What's that? I'll not be needing those. Yeah, quite nice. I like the green colour, and the shower looks like a decent size. Yes. Very nice indeed. It's quite warm in here. That radio feels a little bit. Right. And now onto the main area, and it's quite large. I'm quite happy with this because sometimes on Airbnbs or on hotels they show a picture of the main area and they make it seem very large, and you get there and it's not that big, and that's okay. But this actually looks bigger than the pictures. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera, but this is quite the expansive floor space. It's got a little cabinet here with some cups. Nice big dining room table there. Little area here with the couch, the table, television. Television's a bit odd over there, but I suppose I could always just drag the couch over if I have friends over or something and we want to watch something, or if I want to watch something, but I don't usually watch television, so. But it's nice to have it there. I assume they just don't have it like that because the doorway from the bedroom leads in, you don't want to block that, so let's go into the bedroom. Again, another big room. We've got wardrobes here for putting my, not in there. In here for clothes. Oh, and a drying rack. Very good. I was wondering if there was one of those. And a fan, but since it's autumn, I'll not be needing that. Internet. Hopefully it's nice and fast so I can upload these vlogs. And some more space. And plenty of towels, bed sheets. Jobs are good, and that's what we like. Good, good, good. There is a little workspace here. I won't be using this. I mean, I guess you could do a little writing or something on here, but you wouldn't want to do much work. Massive mirror, mind, like that. Nice big double bed. Actually quite like the colour scheme. I can see myself cracking my head off one of these, so we'll have to be careful. More towels. You can't have too many towels. Nothing worse than when you go somewhere and there's like one towel, or 2, and they're tiny. Not a fan. I like good amount of towels. Here's the view. So we're literally right on the Platts here. You can see there, bit of what I'm not a huge fan of, but right on the Platts, right in the centre of town. Just down there is the old town, the old square, which is marvellous. Can I open these windows and not knock a plant pot off? Okay, they fold down that way. They open as well. Maybe oh no, they do. Oh yes. Pretty good, eh? See the tram line down there. This is great. Let's have a look at the other window. good to have open for sure. I do like my fresh air. Oh, that's new. I wonder what's going on there. Never seen those pink steps before. Oh well, I must say I'm very impressed. It wasn't cheap, mind, I must say. Usually places in Poland are usually quite cheap, but this place, I rented it for the month and it's cost me about £1,200, 6,500 zloty, something along those lines. I'll put the prices up on the screen here so you know. So not cheap, but right in the centre of town. And again, you're paying it on, I'm renting on Airbnb, so if I was to rent this place full time for a year, it would be cheaper. But, you know, you pay the premium for the convenience. I only have it for a month. So, and that's with your utilities, your internet, your gas, your electric, all that included. So, it's not too bad. If I was to rent something like this in a similar sized city in England, it would cost twice as much at least. So I'm really impressed with the place. Just to give you, I guess, a sense of scale, let me set you down on this here, and I'll walk back, and you can see how my size to the room, because sometimes on camera you can't tell, but I'm not a small guy. And you can see I'm pretty small in this room, so I'm impressed. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the room tour. There's plenty more videos of me here in Poland. There'll be a video of me taking the train to get to Poznan from Wrocław. There's a video of me enjoying some Georgian food in Wrocław, and there's other videos of me literally down on the Platz. I'll pin a little video up here. There's a video of me on the Platz going through a market on Palm Sunday. So that was good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.